Just log on YouTube to give your brain some new food.
Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the most powerful passports in the Caribbean region. And when I say the most powerful passport, I actually means passport that can enter other regions of the world without visa requirements. So just to repeat that, the power of a passport is ranked by how many countries can a holder of that passport enter without the use or the requirement of a visa. So according to the 2020 Enly Passport Index ranking, here are the top 10 passports for the Caribbean region. Coming in at number 1 is Barbados. Barbados is rated number 1 in the Caribbean region, having access to 164 destinations, and Barbados is ranked 24 globally. Coming in at number 2, we've got a tie, Bahamas and St. Kitts and Nevis, ranking globally at 27 with access to 154 destinations globally. Coming in at number 3, we have Antigua and Barbuda, ranked globally at number 30 with an access of 150 countries globally. Coming in at number 4 is TT, Trinidad and Tobago, ranks 31 globally with access to 149 countries around the world. Coming in at number 5, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, ranking at 32 globally with access to 146 destinations around the world. Coming in at number 6, St. Lucia, ranked 33 globally with access to 145 destinations around the world. Coming in at number 7 is Grenada, ranked 35 globally with access to 142 countries around the world. Coming in at number 8 is Dominica, ranked 37 globally with access to 139 countries around the world. Coming in at number 9 is Belize, ranked 56 with access to a solid 100 countries around the world. And finally, the top 10. Who made it to the top 10? Drum roll, please. Top 10 of the Caribbean region most powerful passport goes to Guyana, ranked 60 globally with access to 88 countries around the world. So to my Jamaican people, we did not make the cut. Jamaica is ranked outside of the realm. The weakest passport in the Caribbean region happened to be 80, and Jamaica's passport in the Caribbean region is only stronger than Haiti's passport, the Dominican Republic passport, and Cuba's passport. So to all my Jamaican people, including myself, that's a bit disappointed that our country did not make the top 10 most powerful passport. We have to put some more pressure on Jamaican government that despite all the infrastructures that we're actually doing to the country and making it modernized, the foreign affairs ministers need to do more with their overseas socialization and business transaction and finessing to get our passport power up, people. Let me know what you think of this publication. It's not my publication, like I say. It's a publication that I read online and I thought it would be something interesting for all my Caribbean people. But before I go, let me big up all my Barbados people for holding the strongest passport in the Caribbean region with a visa-free access to 164 destinations. I have to say, without prejudice, respect is due. All Barbadians, big up yourself. So people, that's pretty much a wrap for today. Until next time. Peace.